Hello, welcome to our channel. In this video, I will show you how to join a public and private Discord server. Watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. Open and log into your Discord account. If you have an invite to join a server, click here. Then click Join on a Server. Paste the invite link or type it in, and click Join Server, and you'll be added. To talk to others on the server, there are some steps you have to complete. There are different steps for different servers. For this server, we have to simply click on Complete. Then, tick on I have read and agreed to the rules and click on Submit. Now we can participate and engage on the server. To join public servers, click here. Type the server's name in the search bar and click Enter. To join a server, simply click on it and you'll be added. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more amazing tips and tricks.